Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
System Restore in Windows 11 lets you restore your computer to a previous state if a serious problem occurs. During a system restore, you will not lose personal data files. System Restore monitors changes to the system and automatically creates easily identifiable restore points during procedures such as software installation. These restore points let you revert the system to a previous time as if you had never performed the procedure. Restore points are often created at the time of significant system events, like when an application or driver is installed. You can also manually create and name your own restore points at any time. To ensure System Restore is enabled in Windows 11, right-click the Start button in the Windows taskbar, and then click the Settings command in the pop-up menu that appears to open the Settings app window. In this window, click the System button at the left side of the window if needed. Then scroll down and click the About Setting button to the right to open the About Settings page. Then click the System Protection hyperlink below the Device Specifications Settings button to open the System Properties dialog box and display the System Protection tab. Ensure your computer's C drive appears in the Protection Settings list at the bottom of this tab. The setting for the C drive should be On under the Protection column in this list. If enabled, to manually create a restore point in Windows 11, click the Create button at the bottom of the tab to open the Create a Restore Point window. Then type a name for the restore point. Then click the Create button to create the restore point. After Windows finishes creating the restore point, it informs you of that fact in a small message box. Click the Close button in the message box to close it. To restore your computer to an earlier time by performing a system restore in Windows 11 if needed, click the System Restore button in the System Protection tab of the System Properties dialog box to open the System Restore window. Read the information about restoring system files and settings, and then select the restore point to use from the available options. To see more restore points if needed, select the Choose a different restore point option, and then click the Next button. Then select the restore point to use. After selecting a restore point to use in either screen, then click the Next button to continue. At that point, you can simply click the Finish button to restore your system. It is important that you do not manually shut down the computer or interfere with it in any way until it is completely finished performing the system restore. Windows will notify you when the system is restored to the selected restore point.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.